Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your account balance in YNAB. To hide your account balance in YNAB, first of all, open up your YNAB application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're in the main homepage, tap on the three dots at the top left corner. In the pop-up, click on Hide Amounts, and this will hide all of your amounts from your dashboard. And that's how you hide your balances in YNAB. Whether you are budgeting solo or sharing your screen, this helps keep things clean and private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more YNAB tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.